Hello everyone. Welcome to the Vrinda Store analysis presentation. In this report, we uncover key insights into sales performance, customer behavior, and market trends from 2022. We will explore top selling months, buyer demographics, and sales channels, helping us shape strategies for even greater success in 2023 and beyond. Project objective. The objective of this analysis is to evaluate Vrinda Store's annual sales report to gain valuable insights into customer behavior and improve sales performance for 2023 and beyond. Key goals of this project is to identify key trends in customer purchases and sales fluctuations, understand customer buying behavior and demographic patterns, optimize marketing strategies to increase sales and customer engagement, develop data driven strategies to improve revenue growth and operational efficiency. To achieve the objective, I have created a series of questions. Let's get started with the first question. First question. Compare the sales and orders using single chart. This chart represents the total sales amount shown in blue bars and the number of orders represented by the green line. The goal of this analysis is to identify trends, peak months, and potential areas for sales growth. Question number 2. Which month got the highest sales and orders? This chart provides an overview of monthly sales and orders for the year 2022. Our goal here is to identify the peak month in terms of business performance. March is the highest performing month. As we can see, both sales and orders peaked in March, making it the best month for business. This indicates a strong demand, possibly due to seasonal factors, promotions, or high customer engagement. Sales decline after March. There is a noticeable drop in both sales and orders from April onward. This downward trend suggests either reduced customer interest, seasonal changes, or lower marketing impact. Slight increase in August. In August, we see a small spike indicating a temporary recovery in orders and sales. This might be due to mid year sales, festival seasons, or targeted promotions. Lowest sales is in December. By the end of the year, both sales and orders reached their lowest point. This could be this could indicate a post-festive season's shift in a customer spending behavior. Who purchased more, men or women? Now let's take a look at the gender-based purchasing pattern for Vrinda Store in 2022. Women made 64% of total purchases while men contributed only 36%. This indicates that the majority of Vrinda Store's customer base consists of female shoppers. The trend suggests that marketing efforts should be more focused on women oriented products, offers, and promotions. What are different order status in 2022? Now let's analyze the order fulfillment and processing trends for Vrinda Store in 2022. 92% of orders were successfully delivered, indicating a high fulfillment rate and efficient logistics. 3% of orders were cancelled, which could be due to payment failures, stock issues, or customer decisions. 3% of orders were returned, possibly due to product defects, incorrect items, or customer dissatisfactions. 2% of orders were refunded, meaning customer requested and received refunds for various reasons. Question number 5. List top 10 states contributing to the sales. Let's analyze the geographical distribution of sales and identify the key states driving revenue for Vrinda Store in 2022. Maharashtra leads with the highest sales at 2.99 million, making it the most significant market, followed by Karnataka with 2.64 million in sales, showing strong demand in the southern region. Uttar Pradesh ranks third with 2.1 million, highlighting a large customer base in North India. Other high performing states including Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Delhi contributing between 1.2 million and 1.7 million in sales. Haryana, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal and Kerala also contribute but at a lower scale. Question number 6. Relation between age and gender based on number of orders. Now let's examine the relationship between age groups and gender in terms of purchasing behavior at Vrinda stores in 2022. Adults of 30 to 49 years are the most active buyers, with women making 34.59% of total orders and men contributing 15.47%. Teenagers below 30 years are also showing significant engagement, with women at 21.13% and men at 9.20%. Senior citizens of 50 plus years contribute the least to purchases, with women at 13.7% and men at 5.91%. Overall, women lead in all age groups, confirming their strong purchasing influence. Question number 7. Which channel is contributing maximum to the sales? Now let's analyze the performance of different sales channels and their contribution to Vrinda Store's overall sales. Here, Amazon is the leading sale channel, contributing 35% of total sales, making it the most dominant platform, followed by Flipkart closely with 22%, showing strong competition. Myntra accounts for 23%, making it a key player in fashion and lifestyle sales. Other platforms like Meesho with 5%, Nalli with 5% and Ajio with 6% contribute a smaller but notable share. A minor 4% of sales come from miscellaneous channels labeled as others. Question number 9. Percentage of total orders delivered. Now let's analyze the total orders fulfillment efficiency of Vrinda stores in 2022. Here, 92% of total orders were successfully delivered, including a high fulfillment rate, smooth logistics. And 3% of orders were cancelled, likely due to payment failures, stock unavailability, or customer decisions. Then comes to 3% of orders were returned, possibly due to product defects, incorrect items, or customer dissatisfaction. Lastly, 2% of orders were refunded, meaning customer requested a return and successfully received a refund. Here comes to dashboard. Now let's explore the interactive dashboard which consolidates all key insights from our analysis in a single view. This dashboard enables real-time analysis and strategic decision-making, helping Vrinda Store optimize marketing efforts, inventory management, and customer engagement for future growth. I followed these steps to process the data to get the meaningful insights. Project Insight. Women customers are the primary buyers. Around 65% of total purchases were made by women, indicating a strong female customer base. Top performing states Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Uttar Pradesh contributed to approximately 35% of total sales, making them the key markets. The 30 to 49 years age group accounted for 50% of total orders, highlighting the most engaged customer segment. Amazon, Flipkart, and Myntra contributed nearly 80% of total sales, proving their dominance in driving revenue. Certain product categories outperformed others, making them ideal for promotions and stock prioritization. A high percentage of orders were successfully delivered, showcasing strong logistics and customer fulfillment. Here comes to conclusion. Based on our analysis, here are the key takeaways for maximizing future sales at Vrinda Store. Focus on women aged 30 to 49 years as they are the most dominant buyers. Strengthen marketing and sales strategies in Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Uttar Pradesh as these states contribute the highest revenue. Prioritize Amazon, Flipkart, and Myntra, which drive 80% of total sales. Implement personalized offers and marketing campaigns to boost engagement and sales conversations. By implementing these strategies, Vrinda Store can increase customer retention, enhance revenue growth, and improve overall business performance in 2023 and beyond. That concludes our Vrinda Store analysis for 2022. I hope these insights help in making data driven decisions for future growth. If you found this analysis insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business analytics content. Thank you for watching.